So just quickly talk us through what's we've got an Xbox controller on top of the robot head. Then what have we got inside the robot as eyes there?
There are two pairs of stereo camera for near and far like measurements.
Okay.
And besides that, there is some texture projector and 5 megapixel camera.
In what's this guy here in the middle?
Yeah, that's a LiDAR.
That's a LiDAR, yeah.
Which is on like tilt or pan, I don't know which one.
Yeah. Okay, I can see that it'll tilt as well. Yeah. You can see the way that's working there.
So.
And then on the arms,
there are another cameras.
Some cameras on the arms, so you can see what the grippers are doing.
Exactly.
Yeah. Very, very impressive stuff. Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
There we go. So you have sensors here that detect when you get close, which then slows the robot down. And then if you touch the robot,
you don't need to touch it.
Okay.
It's capacitive field
if you get close.
Yeah.
So is that like a capacitive proximity sensor?
Yes.
Okay.
Exactly.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.